Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Saifullah Shurjo from Imperial Ideal School and College, and I'm a new member of Imperial English Language Club. Today I'm going to talk about a story regarding the topic unity. Once upon a time there was a farmer who had three sons. His sons used to quarreling between each other. One day he heard his sons quarreling and called them. After calling, his sons came and asked what to do. Then the farmer called and asked them to bring three sticks and a rope. Then his son did it. Then he told them to make a bundle with the sticks and rope. Then they did it and asked what to do with the bundle. Then he told them to try to break the bundle, each one. They can't. Then the farmer told to unbundle the sticks. Then the farmer, according the command of the farmer, his sons did it, and the farmer told, take one sticks and try to break. His sons broke it, and then the farmer told, if you are gonna stay united, nobody can harm you like the bundle of the sticks. If you are gonna quarreling between you each other, each one can harm you, everyone can harm you like the single sticks. So from this we can learn that if we are gonna stay united, nobody can harm us, and if we are gonna make quarreling, make any type of ununity between each other, we can't make unity and everybody can harm us.
Hello dear audience, very good afternoon to all of you. This is Saurabh Hussain Saurabh. I'm the head of English department of Imperial Ideal School and College.